Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 31st of January, 2023. We're going to talk about CRISPR today. It's been a couple of weeks since I did a video in the market in CRISPR, so I wanted to come in and speak to you all on something that you want to be on the lookout for in CRISPR in terms of where price is trading in relation to the price chart, okay? So first of all, you guys can see that I did a price prediction. My last price prediction in Crispr Therapeutics was on the 20th of December. So if I go ahead and zoom in on this price chart, you guys can see it's right here. And the market in CRISPR has gone down here towards that $40 price. Now, is that in level that I told you all that we could possibly see the market in CRISPR run? Yes. Go back and see the video. That was one of my first price targets that I talked about in the market in CRISPR. So hopefully at that particular moment in time, back in the beginning, ending of December, you was able to capitalize off of that price move of around 8.5%. You guys can see it's around 8.5% there. On the low of the 28th, even on the 30th of December, the market profit would have been 11.25%. So congratulations to those who was able to at least grab some minimal profit off of that price move. But let's get back to what we need to be on the lookout for in CRISPR Therapeutics. Okay, so here it is. First thing first, we can see the trend. Okay, we recognize the current price action into the market in CRISPR is down. But over the last couple of days, I want you all to notice how price is breaking the trend, right? We're definitely seeing price try to inch outside of this downtrend line. That tells us we need to be a little bit more cautious in price action now, because if the market sellers, if they're not able to keep price suppressed below this trend line, then it means that a little bit more demand and buyers are now entering the market in CRISPR, okay? So let's see this on a couple of different time frames. Let's pull this out on the 3-weekly chart first. Okay, because I want to show you that this area here currently is going to be our support area now. Okay, we have $40 as support now in CRISPR. So even if we do see weakness in price come down in CRISPR Therapeutics, as long as the price holds 40, we understand that the market buyers are still willing to buy CRISPR, and that the greater probability of where prices are headed is going to be up. Now, we break 40, then guess what? Yeah, we'll need to come in and talk again. Now, take a look at this though. Today's the last day of the month in CRISPR. You guys can see here the prior month, December, we saw a pretty good indication of selling and weakness and lack of demand in December. Well, this month, price has reversed. We're now seeing demand and buyers entering the market. That is why we identified $40 as the current area of support. It does mean that it will forever be support, but that is where it is currently, okay? So here's CRISPR on the 2 weeks chart. And the last 2 weeks, I'm going to show you all why I do suspect that the market currently has a greater chance of going up than it does going down. This 2-weekly price bar combined with this one shows me that at least the market weakness is not impacting price in CRISPR. Now, how high can we see price go though? Right? If we suspect that price has a greater chance of going up than going down, at what price level would you come through in profit? I could see a quick area around 60, maybe a little bit lower than $60. That would be my first price target there. Take a look at this on a weekly chart. Okay, so now we are going through some selling right now in CRISPR. Earnings is coming up on the 14th of February, so definitely be prepared for that increased volatility. If the price continues to go up all the way up to earnings, then yeah, the volatility may actually try to push the price down. I'm just saying. But on the weekly chart, look at this. Okay. Weakness came in on this week, the week of January 17, 2023. That was weakness indicative of selling. But the prior week, we didn't get the follow through. Price went up instead. So it tells me in this vicinity that buyers are still willing to buy the stock in CRISPR there. Now, we're currently seeing the weakness now on this current weekly price bar, so we still got some sellers mixed in that particular stock there. Okay, Look at this on the 5-day chart in Crispr. Again, we're noticing weakness into the market. Obviously, you would expect that. After we've seen price in Crispr run from 40 to a high of $55, which is like 37% market run higher. January was a fantastic month for the stock market. Okay, take a look at this on the 3-day. You guys can see how price was weak here, but price instead continues to trend higher. Okay, same thing on the 2-day chart. So I do suspect that the strength kind of having a slighter edge amongst the sellers. I'm not saying that this is a massive buy, but currently looking at how price has been trading, I am going to anticipate at least a slight move higher. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you all what I think. And I've already told you, as long as market in Crispr holds this $40 price, we're going to look for price to trend higher. That $60 level definitely has my attention. Might be a little bit lower, like $57. $58 right there. That would be my first area there. Okay. That's my first level, like 58. And then my my second one will be around 60, like 62. Let me see. Yeah, we're just going to hold at 60. Okay, so we'll do around 60. So that first one, let me try to range, it's like $57. First price level is $57. The second one is 60. Okay. So that is it. I want everyone to give me their thoughts, though, your perception as to which you think price has the easiest chance of moving. Okay. Let me bring this in a little closer because I don't want to hold this all the way out to March. Cool. So that is it right there. I want you all to tell me where do you think price is headed, though? Either leading up to earnings or after earnings. How do you think the market is going to react? And where price is headed? Let me know. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.